In this video, we're going to show you to install the rear engine splash shield on your INFINITI G37 X, located on the bottom side of the engine. Now right here is our lower splash shield. There's a series of 10mm bolts around the perimeter, as well as one single plastic push locking pin here. Use our trim tool, pop out the center of this, and then remove that plastic button. Let's go ahead and use our 10mm socket on our impact and remove the bolts holding this in place. Go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and get your cover lined up here. Then we can go ahead and get your bolts installed. I'm going to get our front ones installed first. And then once we get these in, we'll get our rear ones in, and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. Now that we have all of our bolts in, we're now going to install our plastic push pin. Now ours was missing one, and the one that we removed was damaged, so we sourced a couple others. Now that we have our plastic push pins installed, let's go ahead and snug down our bolts. Once you have these two tight, let's go ahead and snug up the rear three, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.